Hi everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video we're going to know the difference between tabletop epoxy and crystal clear epoxy. Table Boat, the brand of this resin, kindly sent this to me and I'm going to test it with you. So the first thing, we have two bottles of tabletop epoxy, part A and part B. Also they sent some measuring cups, some mica powder, scrapers, and also small mixing cups along with ice cream sticks, so you can mix your resin. Also they send different sizes of measuring cups, so whatever quantity you want to make, you have different sizes of these measuring cups. And also we have the crystal clear epoxy, again part 1 and part 2. And finally, there is a paper with all the instruction and things that you need to take care when you mix the resin. So the tabletop is a self-explanatory. This means that you are going to add a thin layer of resin in a top of anything. For example, you can create or add a top for your resin coaster if you want to make this smooth looking coaster, or for example in your table, or some people now they add it to the kitchen utensils. For me personally, I don't recommend that you add resin in your utensil and use this utensil for food. Even if it says that it's a food safe, I don't know. I mean, some people will argue, I know, but I don't know. For safety reason, I prefer that. Don't mix resin with the utensil that you're going to use it for food. Okay, so here I'm going to create a project. I'm going to create like a galaxy abstract scene. I have this graphics paper and I added so many colors of alcohol inks. These are metallic alcohol inks. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Everything will be linked in the description box. Again, after I mix everything together, again, there is no right or wrong, whatever your heart desire, just move the colors around. I waited till it dry, and then I added some sequins and heart and stars shapes, to represent the galaxy. I really like it. I don't know. My daughter said no. After that, I have this wooden canvas. I'm not sure they call it canvas or what, but I bought it from Michael, and I'm going to stick it to this wood panel. Yes, wood panel. I have the gel medium, and I'm going to apply. This one is an old wood canvas. Wood panel. My daughter used to stick some stuff, and I said, okay, I'm going to recycle it. So I have again here the gel medium, or you can use Mod Podge. You can use any clear strong glue and apply it. These, I don't know what you call these, sponge brushes maybe or something. Anyway, it's horrible. I'm going to apply really a very good layer of this gel medium. Then I'm going to stick my paper, or my graphics paper, the black one. And to make sure that it's adhered very well, I'm going to take, the prayer and try to smooth things down and make sure that every corner is really stick. I'm going to, leave it like, 1 hour till it completely dry. Then I'm going to secure the edges. Now, the work is beautiful, I like it, but if you want to give this clear crystal look to your project, you are going to use tabletop epoxy to give this smoothness to your project. So here I'm going to secure the edges. I'm using here washi tape. This is not the washi tape to use. There is like one called a blue washi tape, and they use it mainly with resin, but I was lucky that this tape worked, because some tape it will not, if the resin come on top of it, it will be really hard, to take it down. Now it's time to mix the resin. Again, you're gonna use equal parts of gallon number A, or number 1, and gallon number 2. So it's really, it's just a little bit, because again, you want a thin layer just to cover the entire surface. So I pour everything, and with my heat tool, I'm going to remove the bubble. The heat tool will remove all the bubbles. So I'm going here to spread it with the wood. And they sent me a scraper, but I forgot to use it. Anyway, with my gloves, I used my hand to move the resin around and make sure that it covers every, nooks and cranny in my project. After that, I'm going to leave it for 24 hours to dry, and taking again one last time my heat tool, to remove all the bubbles. Here, after 24 hours, look at this beauty. Ah, I love it. I love it. I feel I want to create so many wood panels, with different projects. Maybe I will change the paper next time. You see this crystal clear surface, smooth surface. I'm sorry, there was, strong sun outside or the light, but it's beautiful. Even my son wants to touch it. And it was really easy, to remove the washi tape, and even I colored the edges. Now we're gonna make some coasters. I'm not going to only to make two. First, I need to prepare my coaster, my silicone coasters. So with the strong duct tape, or this kind of tape, I think they call it duct tape. I'm going to clean my resin coasters or my silicone coasters. It removes the residue, the hair, any dust, because you want your resin to be clear. But if you have kind of silicone like this triangle, this are pyramids, you just have to make it you have to fold, your duct tape and start, to clean from inside. Don't use alcohol or water. I don't know, sometimes it will really, stay there. Okay, now it's time to mix the crystal clear one. Again, same thing. You're going to use 2 equal parts of bottle A and bottle B. I couldn't find my scale, so that's why. So I depend on the numbers that written, on the mixing cup. So I'm going to mix them very well for 5 minutes, and I want to make sure I don't want to see this thin lines. I want everything to be mixed very well together. Even if there is bubbles, that's fine. We're going to remove it later. And to feel it, that's like really sticky. It's different. I think it's different formula than the different resin that I use. Okay, now I have 4 small cups because I'm going to use Nuvo glitter, fine glitter, and I'm going to use the mica powder that they sent me. So I'm going to divide I'm going to add some resin in each cup, because each cup I will add different, color or different product. You can use acrylic paint, but I don't know, sometimes when I use acrylic paint, I don't know, things will not work, or the resin will not harden with me. Maybe I add too much. So that's why I prefer to add, dry colors, like, for example, the glitter or mica powder. So first I'm going to add this beautiful turquoise color. Then I have here Nuvo glitter. This is like gold or copper. Again, you can use any brand, any color, whatever you want. So I'm going to mix them very well, and to mix these small, you can use the ice cream sticks. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Looks really beautiful. Okay, here is the thing that I'm going to add inside some, resin bow and resin flowers, or you can add literally anything you want. So the first thing I'm going to add, I'm here playing, with the colors. So I'm adding first the resin with the mica powder. Now, time to remove the bubbles. As you see, it's like magic. I really love my heat tool. Next, I'm going to create a scene. So I added, the first layer was a clear resin. I wished I add the glitter one, at the bottom. But anyway, again, I was just trying and testing things out. So I'm going to add this wooden fence. It was from Joanne, and I have this grass also from Joanne, because I want to create a scene that, a fence with a grass and flowers inside it. So I'm going to use resin flowers. This is, you can buy it ready made. Yes, and one of the grass got to my resin, so I'm glad that I removed it. Okay. For this, creating like a 3D scene, definitely this will not be a smooth surface because, the silicone itself is not that big. So it's definitely higher, in height than the other two, the pink and the clear one. But at least I will have something, some flowers and grass will be pop up from the resin coaster itself. Then I added the clear resin. Then I added again a glitter resin. Maybe I didn't film it. So you will feel that it will not give this clear look that I was looking for. But anyway, we see now the result. They are absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, just this is a tip that suppose the color will be, on the bottom and the clear one will be in the top. Here also at the test, I did this one. This is a clear one. I didn't add just, a hint of glitter in the middle. And I love the bow so much. Some people like to color the edges. I don't like to color or to paint the edges using these kind of metallic paint. For me, it's fine. I like them like this. But again, you can do whatever you want. But look at this. I really love it. So beautiful. I just wanted to display it on my, my office. So this is the first one. This is easy. Just borrow, the resin, added the bow, then with the heat tool, try, to pop all my bubbles. And look at this gorgeous. People who love turquoise color, they will love this one. So this is the top. And let me see you the bottom. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I can see my face. I'm going to turn off the lights because the light was really, hitting. So I want to show you the real thing. So it's just beautiful. I really love it. Look to this project. I love it. You see, definitely it is not that clear because of the glitter, but overall it's beautiful. You can display it, in your office, give it to gifts for someone. No need just to make the coaster just for cups, and now you can just make it like a home decor. So it's really, really beautiful. Maybe I can, I don't know, die cut my name or anything, and I stick it in the middle, to cover a little bit of the glitter buzz. But it's really beautiful. So now we know the difference between the tabletop coat, resin coat, and the crystal clear resin. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please leave it down below. And overall, I love this product, and you will see me creating different resin coasters idea. So don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.